we're at the Bowdens entrance to the garden in early May, and it's always this time of year that the Wisteria comes out and it forms a beautiful, gorgeous purple canopy above this little lean-to really that we used to take the money in on National Garden Scheme days. We've slightly altered things now, but the wisteria is absolutely stunning. We're really sorry that we are not open at the moment as a garden to view because of the national lockdown, but let's just come through with me now and see the first part of the garden to give you a little bit of a taster of what you might come and see maybe in a couple of weeks when hopefully we'll be open. It's a magical garden in some respects. Anne and Roger spent so many years planning it and planting it and enjoying it and taking many hundreds of people, if not thousands, round there. Probably not a month goes past without somebody sending me an email saying, I remember your parents-in-law and Anne took me around the garden and I had chocolate cake or something similar. And that's great, that's what they were so good at. This is probably one of the, I think, most impressive parts of the garden. It's where we used to have a massive plant called Hostas Snowdon until we split it up and made hundreds and hundreds of plants. Snowdon is still here, and this is the sort of the right hand side little collection of such a collection of wonderful, stunning specimen hostas. These are fabulous and they're in great condition as well. Hopefully that'll give you a little bit of a teaser. We do hope that the garden will be open very soon.